us just to engage with the enemy, find the terrorists, and take care of business as Marines do.
Learn more about Elliot McKenzie and other veterans featured in the Heroes Hall Virtual Museum at ocfair.com. Let's make this a Learn Something New About People and Places Saturday. Gail Anderson, KTLA 5 News.
All right, it is 10:25. We do thank Gail Anderson for that this morning. All right, coming up, snow resorts opening up this weekend. We got your 5 live forecast that's coming up.
And a Christmas tradition getting a spin for the holidays. We are live at Pomona with a look at the new Elf on the Shelf drive-thru experience.
Run, run, Rudolph, reeling like a merry-go-round.
Make your holidays happen at Ross. Surprise! Yes, I love it! You don't have to spend a lot to give a lot. You've got the holidays, and we've got you with the best bargains ever. Say yes for less at the new store in North Compton.
Why are so many people switching their Medicare coverage to Kaiser Permanente Senior Advantage? Is it because there's 0 monthly